Welcome back, guys. Well, today I received the new door switch for the Mercedes. Bought this off of eBay from a place in Tennessee called New Parts. It was $9.12 delivered. So I just got out of work and we're going to install this puppy. Take us just a few minutes. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is get the wiring out where I can get to it. Slide it in at the bottom and cam it into place. Okay. You come over here, and there it is. You have a key right here on your wiring. Matches up with that. We plug it in, and that's it. And you hear that noise behind me. That is telling me that the key is still in the ignition and the steering wheel just removed to its home position because it now knows the door is open. So that tells me it works. You push it and the key alarm goes off and it comes back on. So there we have a working switch, guys. I'll put this trim piece on later, but it's that simple. Thanks for watching.